5 unique ways to learn French. So number one is generaling. General is something that helped me personally, that you can describe your everyday in the night or in the morning as you think you can do. Just describe your whole day in a diary in French. That will help a lot. I can say a lot. And the number one is self-talk. If you're not a fan of writing, you can always talk to yourself about your day, about anything that you like to share with somebody else or yourself. Describe your day. It's the best thing, and it's the best exercise to practice French. Number third is most of us, we don't belong to a francophone country, so we don't get the environment to speak French. So what I recommend is to follow some pages. I'm not asking you to follow my page only, but follow other pages, because not all pages gives the same content. So follow pages, be it on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube channels. Or what you can do is to practice conversation, you can try it on Hello Talk. It's a really great app, and you can do it if you want to really practice some conversation. So number four, it's my personally favorite, is to watch movies and series. You could always start with easy French. It's the most basic series I have ever seen to practice your audio, so you develop a habit of listening. It's really best. And number five, and the last, is to listen to the music. I mean, we listen to the music every day, so why not listening to the French music? If you listen to a French music, you develop a habit of listening, or after some time you probably get to understand the lyrics of it. So it's really helps. So that's it. It's all 5 unique ways to learn French. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Stay tuned. Bye bye.